Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to block dates on Vrbo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Vrbo website and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, we have get the app, your region, trip board, list your property if you want to list any property that you have. We have the help center, my trips, inbox, and lastly your profile. If you click on your profile, right here you will see your name, your email. Under this you will find your 1 key cash balance. Also view reward activity, go to trip boards, inbox, my trips, my profile, feedback, and right here you're gonna find owner dashboard. And lastly, the sign out option. So if you have any listing, if you click on owner dashboard, you will go to your dashboard. But in my case, I don't have any listing yet. That's why I can't go to the dashboard. So I'm going to show you guys right here in this website how to block calendar dates. Blocking your calendar is the best way to ensure travelers don't inquire about or request a reservation for days when your property isn't available for rent. For example, you could block dates on your calendar for a renovation or repair work, personal use of your vacation rental, or natural disasters. Firstly, you need to log into your account, then select the listing if you have more than one rental property. Select calendar, select the dates or dates you'd like to block. Select bookings and blocks in the manage dates panel. Select add block, enter the block date, and lastly select save. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.